How to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can see who has screenshotted our Snapchat story. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, open up your Snapchat. After that, you just need to head over to your profile at the top left. And here, you should be able to see your story. So what you're gonna do is simply click on your story here. And here, when you scroll up this, you should be able to see the people who have screenshotted your story. You can see the screenshot option right here at the side of I, which means someone has screenshotted your story. And you can see below the story, you can see this person here, and there is a screenshot at the side of the person's. And that's how you basically know who has screenshotted your story on your Snapchat. So therefore, follow this method and you should be able to know it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.